Good morning. How old is the oldest person that you know? How did they manage to live as old as they did? How is it that some bodies can live to 100 and yet others die of disease long before? What is it about our bodies that enabled us to live so long? Why is it that just a few generations ago, bodies were dying in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, and now it is very common for people to live to their 80s and 90s. Well, come along as we learn about your bodies in this course of human biology. Hi, I'm Dr. Jacqueline Powell, and I'm going to be taking you along this semester as we learn all about your fascinating bodies and all the things that it does, even while you are asleep. But first, let's learn a little bit about this class and some expectations. So the first thing has to do with what this class is and isn't. It's not going to be me sitting here lecturing you, opening your brains, and me just dropping a bunch of stuff into it. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. So if you think you can just sit there and just daydream and you'll just learn everything and it's just going to be a miracle, it's just not going to happen like that. Okay. You're going to have to put some work into it. This is a natural science class. Okay. And like the dean said, it's 2 to 3 hours of work outside of lecture material every week on your part. So I'm doing my part and hopefully you will do your part. There's no magic Tinkerbell fairy that's going to make it happen. And there's lots and lots of studies that show that as magical as computers are, taking your notes on a computers and typing are not going to help you learn this stuff. And I know in the classroom, students love to sit there and type notes. And you've gotten so good at you, some of you can practically type verbatim what I'm talking about. But I beg you, please don't be typing your notes while I am talking. Okay. Use those computers for printing out the PowerPoint slides that I'm providing to you, and then take a good old pen or a pencil and a piece of paper and take notes. Why? Typing your notes is a great way if you want to become a secretary, because that's what it has you do. But if you have to sit there and have your mind process the material and then put it into words that make sense to you and condense the information in a timely manner, which is what you have to do when you take handwritten notes, then you're making meaning of the words and you're linking it to previous information. That's when you're making meaning out of the information. That's what learning is. So kind of humor me and let's do some significant learning this semester. Um, yeah, so this is a college class. It's not a high school class. It's not a middle school science class. It's a real college class. Yes, I know it's just a introduction to human biology, but it's a real college class. It is going to take some effort and studying on your part to get a good grade. Um, but I know you can do it. How do I know you can do it? Because I've taught this class many times at the college level. I've taught it at community colleges. I've taught it at four-year public colleges. I've taught it at four-year private colleges. The average grade has been a B. I've had lots of A's. I've had students who haven't gotten A's. I have students who haven't gotten A's. I've had students who haven't passed. It's all up to you. So please get involved in the class. The more you're involved in the class, the more you stop and you think about it, the more you'll find how fascinating this is. If you are interested in, like, for instance, working out, then get involved in the part of the class where we're learning about how your body is breathing or moving or your circulatory system and figure out what your body is doing. If, on the other hand, you know somebody who has asthma or you have asthma, then kind of pay attention and do a deep dive during that part of the class. Just find something that piques your interest. and get involved with others in the class. I know it's harder when we're doing stuff online, but get involved. Go to the Learning Center, reach out to other students in the class, and make a study group. The most important thing to realize is don't talk down to yourself. There's plenty of people in your life that are going to tell you you can't do this. Okay, you're not that smart. Don't be one of those people. Okay, yeah, it's kind of a self-fulfilling fallacy. How many of you tell yourself, "Oh, I'm not good at math"? You tell yourself, "I'm not good at math," you're not going to be good at math. Okay, all of you are fully capable of doing well in this class. All of you have an A in this class right now. Let's all keep our A's in this class, okay? Let's make that our goal, that everybody can keep their A in this class, okay? It's your perception of this class, your perception of yourself that's going to change. So let's keep your attitude. Instead of saying, I can't do that, change your attitude to like, yeah, this is going to take a little bit of work, but you know what? I am fully capable of doing this work. Maybe I'll have to go to the Learning Center. Maybe it's going to take me a few hours of work every week to do that. Maybe I need a study group. Maybe I need to write to my professor. Maybe I need to meet her on campus. Maybe I need to have a free tutoring session every week just to go over stuff. But all of that stuff is possible. Yeah, sometimes some of the topics are going to be harder than others, but some of the topics are very straightforward. So take advantage of the times where there's a little breathing room. Okay. But don't take advantage to the point where you decide, okay, I don't need to put any effort into this class, and decide, yeah, I'm just going to wait to study until the day before the test, because that's just not going to work in a natural science class. Overall, science is hard. If it wasn't hard, everybody would be a scientist. Okay. Um, don't give yourself low expectations. I don't have low expectations of you. I have high expectations. I know all of you can do this. I know this because I've had students from community college and from other schools do this. I know you're fully capable of getting through this material. I know you're fully capable of being amazed and learning this material and being amazed at your bodies. And for some of you, deciding, like, I want to learn more about this. And for some of you, deciding, yeah, I might go into nursing or doctoring or PAing. I might go into anatomy and physiology. Pretty much every year when I teach this class, I'll have one student who will have a career change. But if you don't, that's perfectly fine. So change your thoughts and you'll change your outlook on the world. Okay. So, how are you going to succeed? Stay on task, set your goals, and stick to it. So, in order to do that, you need to minimize your interruptions. Don't decide to study this class by sitting in your living room with the TV on and your phone next to you and have people coming in and out. You're not going to succeed any more than I'm going to succeed grading and creating new content by sitting in my living room with my family coming in and out. Okay. Be prepared. Make sure you have your notes next to you. Make sure you have time to listen to your video. Make sure you've got your phone turned off. Make sure you have people told, look, I need half an hour of uninterrupted time. If you need to go sit in your car under a shady tree on the street for half an hour because that's what it takes to not have interruptions, then go do that. Okay, avoid those distractions so you can focus on the task at hand. Okay, and break up the task. Don't just tell yourself, I'm going to study. Tell yourself, like this first lecture, I break up into 4 parts. Just say, you know what? I'm going to focus 20 minutes and just learn the 7 concepts in the first part. That's what I'm going to do for 15 minutes. That's very clear, concise, and specific. I'm going to learn 7 things in 15 minutes. You've got a goal, okay? Now, in order to do that, you changed your role. You changed your role from being a student, which was learning the things, to being the boss. You told yourself what you were going to do. So now you know what it is you're going to do. So make that list of items you're going to do. So make a short list. Why? Because now you know what it is you're going to focus. You've written your verbs. You've written all the information you're going to do. You made a short little list. You prioritized your list because maybe it was due homework for other class and things like that. As you go through your list, because maybe you have a 2-hour study session, as you go through your list, you're going to start crossing things off so you'll see what you have left to do. You'll put your list in the order you need to do it. For instance, if you have a deadline and something is going to do, you make sure you do that first. Because as you'll find out, a lot of instructors won't let you submit stuff after the due date and time, or they will give you a point penalty for it. So make sure you pay attention to those deadlines unless you have notified the instructor ahead of time and they have given you the okay to turn things in late. So log all those completed tasks. It gives you something to look at so you feel good about it. I do that all the time. Makes you feel like you have accomplished something. And also, you can look at the list and you can see what you have left to do. So the next time you sit down, you know where you need to start. And you also put that boss hat back on and you add to that list. And hopefully, you'll have nothing left over. But if you have stuff left over, that's okay too, as long as you knew you still had time to complete those items. So, if that sounds a little painful, that's okay, because realize there's 2 pains in life. There's the pain of discipline, or there's the pain of regret. So think about athletes. We have the Olympics periodically. They have the pain of working out in the gym day after day after day to reach their goals, or they have the pain of regret, which is not going to the Olympics or not reaching the time or not reaching the reps. You have the pain of discipline of doing the work needed to learn the material, or the pain of regret, not passing the test, not passing the course, having to repeat it, not getting the course passed, not getting the career you want. It's your choice where you want to be. Oh, and most importantly, don't try to memorize your way through a natural science course. When you memorize information, this is what you have: a whole bunch of random facts. And you've looked at those notes and you go, Dr. Bell, I've memorized this stuff. I knew it all. And then I showed up for your test and your questions had nothing to do with the course because I didn't know the answers to the questions. And I'm going, that's because I didn't ask questions that went perfectly with the random facts you memorized. Because what I asked you to do was to utilize those random facts you memorized. What you need to do is to link those facts to other material and create knowledge. So think of it this way. You memorize, today is sunny, or today is cloudy. Today is 67 degrees, or today is 37 degrees, or today is 97 degrees. Or there's clothing called shorts, there's clothing called ski pants, there's clothing called swimsuits. But you didn't create knowledge, which is when it's hot, you wear a swimsuit. When it's cold, you wear ski clothing. When it's going to rain, you carry an umbrella. So without creating that knowledge, you didn't know if you were supposed to wear pants and carry an umbrella today, if you were supposed to wear pants and wearing ski jacket today, if you were supposed to wear shorts and carry an umbrella, if you were supposed to wear swimwear, or what you were supposed to do today. Do you see the difference between memorizing and creating concepts? That's where I need you to go. Go beyond the memorizing to the understanding. Create knowledge by understanding the material. That's where I need you to get. Okay. And so, yeah, that's going to require thinking on your part. So when you say, yeah, listen to the video, it was fine. I understood it all. Well, then sit there and try to teach it to somebody. If you can't teach it, you don't understand it. If you get stuck partway through teaching it, you don't understand it. If you can't break it down into words you understand, you don't understand it. If you're using big vocabulary words when somebody asks you, what does that mean? And you can't explain it, you don't understand it. So go back and review it. Go to the Learning Center, talk to a tutor, talk to me, talk to your study group. Okay? All right. So let's go back for a second. This, like I said, this is a natural science as opposed to a social science. Social sciences are psychology, sociology, philosophy. This is a natural science. What's science? And don't sit here and go on your phone and type in science and read me a definition, systematic study of the world through observation and experimentation using evidence-based methods to build and organize knowledge. Because I'm going to ask you, what does that mean? Okay, so what's science? Well, let me break it down to you. Let's talk about your senses. You learned about your senses in grade school. Touch, smell, sight, hearing. When these become organized, we perceive stuff. I hear things. I can see stuff. Oh, I feel stuff. Okay. And that allows us to perceive something. We can perceive it through our senses. There's lots more senses. We'll learn about them later this semester. So when these become organized, we develop concepts, thoughts, and ideas. Oh, something's cold. Something's hot. Oh, it's a bright light. It's loud. It's a whisper. Okay. When these concepts, thoughts, and ideas, when they become organized, that gives us knowledge. What does that mean? Oh, the color red, the color green, the sound of a train. It feels like soft skin. It feels like a rabbit. And when knowledge is organized, that's science. So that's where we're going this semester. We're going to organize knowledge and you're going to learn science. Okay? And we're going to specifically learn the science of human biology, ology, the study of bio life. So that brings us to our next question. What's life? Well, something that's alive. Okay. Is that going to get you any points on a test? So then I go, well, how can you tell something alive from something that's not alive? And you go, well, a tree's alive. And I go, okay, so the tree trunk's made out of wood. Is a wooden desk alive? And you go, no. And I go, well, it's wood. How can you tell life from non-life? What are the different forms of life? How's life organized? What does life do? Do you see how this is like the basic first question? If biology is the science of life, knowing what life is the first question. And that's where we're going to start. Our first lecture topic is going to be the science of life. So come on and join this with me. And thank you for sticking through this introduction, and I'll see you soon.